Performing a reset clears all stored data and all programming selections. To perform a factory reset, we will focus on changing a default value. This will confirm a successful reset. With this unit, we will reset our time value. When the unit is on and program is blinking, press the Enter key. With time paste blinking, press the Enter key. The default value is 15 minutes. Change the sample time to any value other than 15 minutes. After changing the time, press the Stop key. Remove power from the unit. Wait for approximately 30 seconds or until the display goes blank. Then press and hold the red Stop and Stored Program keys at the same time. Continue holding the two keys and reapply power. Continue to hold the keys down until the copyright screen appears. Release the keys and press the On key. After the unit is on, with program blinking, press the Enter key. With time paste blinking, press the Enter key. After a factory reset, the time should be back at 15 minutes. When properly done, the sampler program will be at factory defaults and will need to be reprogrammed to your specific needs.